are all doing well. And yeah, in this video I'm going to show you a swap that I received, and this is the tag that I've got from Loes. Loes is Loes Oorschot here on YouTube. I will put the link in the description box below. We decided to swap a tag, and we had to use this die from Tim Holtz. And yeah, because we love this die and we wanted to make something with it. And it's the bird and egg colorize 665857. And yeah, I had so much fun. And I'm going to show you the one that I got from Loes. I've got also a video from my tag for her on my channel. So if you want to see it, look it up in my list of videos. And okay, oh, I'm sorry, I was already unwrapping, but this is the packaging that it came in. And she put music paper on here. It says in German, der Liebestraum, the love dream. And I love this. I love also the leaf on here. I think she dried it. I love that. And yeah, that's the packaging. And then I have to be careful to pull out the tag. I don't want to ruin it. Okay, look how wonderful this one is. So yeah, cool, isn't it? I hope I am in frame. I have to check it. Yes, and the colors are good. So okay, let's see. She did this one on cardboard. I love this idea. You can use packaging as a tag, and love these. Yeah, how do you call these? Gosh. And oh yeah, I love this idea. There was no room left on the tag for the egg, so she did it on the back side and put her stamp and her signature in here, handmade by Loes Oorschot. So August 2023. Tag swap bird egg Carmelus. Cool. Look at this egg. I love it like this. And the colors are cool. Oops. She used real branches in there and moss. And yeah, I love the button on here with the tiny cotton trim. Yeah, cheesecloth is in there. There's a bird nest here in here. Look how wonderful. Look, cool. Yeah, I don't know how it's called in English. The klimop. This I like this. She all sprayed it with oxides and inks, and yeah, it's so cool. This is a real branch also, and this moss, and this is all sprays, or I mean die cuts that she had. And I love the bird, how she did that. I love the colors. And yeah, she sprinkled it a little bit. It's a cutie. I like it. And it says explore nature. And I love the embossing on the tag. It's cool. Look how wonderful. So yeah. She put a video from this tag also on her YouTube channel, so you can hop over there and watch that video. Maybe she will explain it better than me, and you then you know what she used on this tag. Yeah, I love it. It's going to go on my shelf but she knows which one. With her all her things. So yeah, I love it. So I'm going to show you the next thing that I've got from her. So this is the wonderful tag and packaging from Loes. So that's that one. I'm going to put it on the shelf. Oh, so I can look at it every time I'm in my craft room. Okay, and this one. Look how wonderful this tin is from paper. I think she told me the die, so I have to get this one. It's from KS Craft, and I love it. I love it. I love the paper she used, and yeah, this idea is lovely too. There's a magnet in there, so you can close it like this, so you don't have to rip it out, so it will stay in one piece. And if you open it like this, the can, it has it is all doily not doily, journal related, so you can use these things in journals and stuff, and embellishments and ephemera. So this one, look how wonderful. You can use it as a topper on the cover, I mean, of a journal, and on the side maybe with a dangle on there. So look how wonderful. I like it, with all kinds of doilies and a flower. So that's that one. This one is awesome. Yeah, she did this herself. Oh my gosh, it's not my kind of cup of tea to do, but I think it is wonderful. I will use it for sure. I love this. It's beautiful. Look, wonderful. And then this one is a frame, and I love this paper. It's beautiful. And this candle with on the side also that paper. It smells nice. And this one, I love that. And she wrapped around some vintage lace and this cutie of a tiny doily, a tiny flower, fabric flower on a pin, and she covered the bottom and the top. Wonderful. And this little bag with some lavender. I love this idea. Beautiful. How delicate. And a wonderful vintage lace. It looks like this, so I can put it in. Yeah, I love it. My craft room. And this pot, tiny potty with hand cream for body and face, and it's very soft. I love this. And this one, tiny matchbox. I love the idea. So simple but so beautiful and lovely, with this lovely paper, and the stamp is Tim Holtz, and then this one on there. Yeah, how cute, with all kinds of pins in here, and I love the color of it. So beautiful. Thank you. And in here is also a doily. It's yeah, it's holding enough things to give to somebody. Yeah, enough goodies. It's nice. I like the space in here. So okay, like this, and then I have to put in the things that I've got from her. I will leave this out for now, so I can use it for my hands. Okay, I will do this off camera, but yeah, so I put it like this so you can see what she made, and I love it. And then she got me this one, and that's even the same color. It's the elastic, the rubber band. Friends like you are hard to find. And then this one, she gifted me this one, and she said that Tim Holtz used this one for his stencils to scrape it off, and it comes out very very neat, very smooth for these. Yeah, with your texture paste. So that's that. So yeah, thank you, Loes, if you are watching. And yeah, you know I love it, and how sweet of you to get me all these presents. It's so wonderful. And yeah, thank you. I'm going to use this one, so yeah, I won't wrap it up again. Okay, so this is these are my gifts from Loes. So thank you so much, Loes, and thank you for swapping with me. And if you have a challenge, yeah, Loes, just yeah, you know, we challenge each other often, so it's so fun. And okay, thank you all for watching, and until the next video, bye.